Hey everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. I've got another Your Creative Studio box here to open, so let's see what we got inside. Hope everybody's having a good day. We got, I think, one more nice day, and then we're actually going to have temperatures in the 50s later this week, so that's what that is. Okay, here we go. Got the box open. Thank you for your purchase. Okay. Got some ink on my hand. I'm sorry, I was just working on a journal. Should be done shortly. So there we go. Got it. Alright, let's hold this over here. Hold this down here. Let's have a look what we got. Oh, look at these little airmail envelopes. Those are nice. Well, those will be handy for sure. Got an envelope here. Oh, 3 stamps. Candlestick, tall candlestick, and a little candle. Well, those are neat. Cool. Oh, here they are right on the thing. How nice. Cottage Garden, 60 pieces. Oh, this is really nice. Don't know what kind of paper this is, but it's very nice. Look at all that for collaging. Oh, how fun will that be? Yep, like that for sure. Okay, here we got another stamp. Or no, this is washi tape. Oh, with candlesticks. Let's see if I can get this unstuck. Look at that. And the old writing, a lot of script on there. That is really nice. Like that. It's easier to unravel than to put back on, I'll tell you that. Got another stamp here. Oh, it looks like that's a lantern. Have a look-see. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. That'd be nice for Christmas too. Yes, very nice. Here we got, oh, this is a little notebook. Got a little vellum band on there. Oh my, look at this. Oh, love, love, love. That's really cool. Like that. Got some big stamps. Oh, lots of stuff to collage with. How cool. Oh, they're stickers. Oh, even more cool. Little kitty cats. Oh, they're all got like little cats on them. Well, most of them. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, really nice. And there's more. They're just falling out all over the place here. Even the packaging is cool. Let's see, what is this? Envelope set. Oh, let's see about this. It's got some gold. It's got a vellum envelope. Oh wow. Look at these. Three. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. Oh, those are neat. Those will be fun to use for sure. Got a little box here. It says rectangle. Oh, labels. Oh my. There's just a bazillion of them in here. Cool. Those are nice. Those will come in handy. And I almost think these are stickers too. They feel like a little, it's stickery on the sides. How cool is that? Neat. And here we got maybe. Isn't this pretty? Natural collection. Let's see. Oh, more papers, more little stickers. Oh, look at all this. All that vellum. That is nice. Exciting. That'll be fun to use also. And this envelope is really neat too. I think I just dropped something. Well, that's nice. Oh, we got some lantern stickers. Those are nice. Cool. And we got some paper. It's like all a couple different languages there. What's this? Is it upside down or right side up? I can't tell. Really neat. Well, there's a candlestick and some more of a different language. I can't tell you what. Those are really neat. I like using those. And oh, little lantern charm. Oh, that's so cute. Neat. Okay, so that's your Creative Studio unboxing for September. I will put the links below so you can check them out if you haven't already. Been pretty pleased with everything that you get in here. It is a lot, and this notebook is just awesome. Love it. But yeah, so I'll leave that information down below, and you can go check them out and see if you might want to get a subscription box for yourself. And everybody have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. I'll have that other journal done shortly. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks. Bye.